Hi everyone, I'm back to show you how I did this glam Christmas vase decor. Everyone, let me show you the items that we're using. I have some of this red ribbon here from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using some of this white acrylic paint. I have some of these red mirrored tiles, and I have some of this silver ribbon here, and we have some of our bling mirrored sheets here, and I also have this vase that we'll be using. And I'll also be using some of this baking soda because we are doing a textured style on our vase. Okay, we have our vase here, and I'll be using some of this painter's tape just to mark off the spot that we don't want any paint to go on. Okay, now that that's all done, I'll be using some of this white acrylic paint, and I'll be mixing it with the baking soda so we can have some texture on our vase. Now, I don't really measure how much baking soda I use. I just pour some in and mix it around with the paint, and when it looks like the thickness that I want, then I just stop and start painting. So now we are just going to apply the paint going all around our vase. What I mean when I say I made a mistake. So now that we have the whole vase covered, what I like to do is to go back over with my paintbrush and dab everywhere so it adds extra texture to our vase. And now that's all done, I remove the painter's tape. Okay, it's been a few hours and our paint is dry. And can you see the texture? OMG, you see, because I dabbed, it gives it a different texture. And I love how it turned out. So now we're going to use some of our mirrored red tiles going down the center of our vase. And these tiles do come with adhesive on the back, so we're just going to place it going down our vase. I just need you back. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. You call me up right now, girl, I recover. Now that that's all done, I'll be taking some of this mirrored glam sheet here, and we are going to put it down the side of our vase. And I'll be using some E6000 to place the strips that I cut going down our vase. Baby, I know that me and you should be together. Yeah. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. All my life. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. Now I'm going to use some of the ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree, the silver one, and we're going to wrap it going around our vase. Okay, so the ends of the ribbon, I'm just going to cut a little V to give it a nice little shape. Now with the red ribbon, I am going to make 2 bows. My way of making bows. There's lots of videos showing you how to make bows on YouTube. This is just me putting a little bow together in my way. Advice, girl, don't take this, take mine, girl. I'll admit, all the money that came and changed it all up. But now, ain't nothing gonna come and change all love. Alright, so now it's time to add our bow to our vase. So the big silver one, I'm just going to wrap it just like this. And add some glue to hold it down. And now I am seeing where to place the red one. Looks good here, so I'm just going to add some glue and place our bow right here in the center. So I'm going to add one of these clear crystal stones to the center, just like that. Okay, to me it still looks kind of plain, so I'm going to add some more of the silver bow going down. So just going to add a glue there and add in a strip. And I'm going to add another strip on the other side. And I think that looks fuller and more nice. And now I took off the stone that I had there, and I'm going to use one of these snowflakes gems that I got from Totally Dazzled. And just adding some glue and add that to the center of our bow. I think I like that much better. So I'm going to show you the finished look. So here is our finished Christmas vase. I like how it turned out, and I think adding those extra strips to the bow made it fuller and looks much more nicer. And our snowflakes looks beautiful. Our beautiful gem from Totally Dazzled. And I love the texture with the paint. See, I did the dabbing to add a different shape to the texture, and I think it looks lovely. A nice, quick and easy Christmas decor for this Christmas season. And here it is with some tea lights inside that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think it looks lovely, all lit up, and you can display it like this, or you could add some Christmas flowers inside and spruce it up to the next level. Any way you choose to use it, I think it will look lovely. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I do hope I have inspired you with another lovely Christmas decor for your home for this Christmas season. And I hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button so you come back and see more of the DIYs I have to share with you. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.